Hello everyone, welcome back. And this is the day 3 of discussing an important topic for the upcoming exam, the FMGE. So this topic is the ABG analysis. Short one question will be coming. If you go and analyze the past years, the papers, you will be finding one question definitely on the ABG analysis. ठीक है, तो it is a must know topic. तो see, questions usually come. I'll discuss the question also, how which kind of questions are asked, so that like you will not be telling कि later ये तो आपने जो पढ़ा है वो आया ही नहीं, कुछ और ही आया. ठीक है. See, I will be teaching you the core concept of the topic. The question you need to crack it in the exam. कोई भी question same नहीं होता है, because questions will vary यार. So better depending on the questions is you depend on the topics. Read the topics properly. तो जो भी question आएगा वो आप easily solve कर सकते हो. ठीक है. तो that is the main basic idea of my way of टीचिंग कि मैं टॉपिक आप समझा दूँ तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन आए आप इजीली उसको क्रैक कर सको. तो यूजुअली एबीजी में जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं ना, दे आर लाइक दे विल गिव द वैल्यूज़. पीएच का ये वैल्यू दे देंगे, बाइकार्बोनेट का ये वैल्यू दे देंगे, एंड क्या बोलते हैं वो और एक चीज़, यस, CO2 का ये वैल्यू दे देंगे कि कुछ दे देंगे. एंड दे विल आस्क विच काइंड ऑफ एसिड बेस इम्बैलेंस इज सीन इन द क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. तो अगर पीएच देखो, नॉर्मली तो पीएच क्या होता है, सी हियर नॉर्मल लेवल्स भी लिखा है मैंने. इफ़ इट इंक्रीजेज और डिक्रीजेज तो किस टाइप का होगा वो भी लिखा है. सो फर्स्ट वी लुक एट द नॉर्मल वंस. पीएच 7.35 to 7.45 is considered as normal. See, if it is less than 7.4, then it will be considered as the acidosis, and if it becomes more then 7.4, then it is considered as the alkalosis. मतलब acidic pH and alkaline pH. See, this is the pH scale. तो जो 7 है ना, that is considered at the neutral. ठीक है. तो जो 7 के नीचे तक जो भी वैल्यूज़ आएंगी ना, दैट कंसिडर्स द एसिड में. 1 2 3 4 जितने भी वैल्यूज़ होंगी दैट इज़ एसिड. 7 के ऊपर जितनी भी वैल्यूज़ होगी ना, 7.4 एक्चुअली 7.4 के ऊपर जो भी वैल्यूज़ रहेंगी ना, लाइक 8 9 10 11, वो सारे अल्कलाइन पीएच है. ठीक है. आई होप दिस वन बेसिक थिंग इज क्लियर. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एसिडोसिस, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय अल्कलोसिस? वी विल बी डिसाइडिंग इट बेस्ड ऑन द पीएच. Now the second thing we will be looking in the question is the CO2. CO2 whenever is given in the question, I'll like try to explain very easily, very clearly, so that in the exam within 1 minute you will be solving the question. Whenever CO2 is given, think in terms of the respiration. रेस्पायरेटरी अल्कलोसिस हो सकता है, एसिडोसिस हो सकता है. ठीक है. एंड वेन एवर बाइकार्बोनेट इज गिवन, देन थिंक इट एज अ मेटाबॉलिक कॉज. ठीक है. तो सी इन द एग्जाम फर्स्ट यू नीड टू लुक एट द पीएच. पहले पीएच देखो, डिसाइड करो कि एसिड है अल्कलोसिस है. ठीक है. तो बाई डूइंग दिस दो ऑप्शन, मतलब ऑप्शंस में जो रहेगा ना, मेटाबॉलिक अल्कलोसिस, रेस्पिरेटरी अल्कलोसिस, कैसे करके ऐसे रहेगा. तो वंस यू नो दैट पीएच इज एसिडोसिस और अल्कलोसिस, two options will be ruled out. So then you need to choose only between the two options. The two options left will be, you need to look at the CO2 and the bicarbonate levels. अगर CO2 levels ऊपर नीचे है, then it will be coming in the respiratory. अगर bicarbonate levels ऊपर नीचे है तो it will be coming under the metabolic. So this is the basic rule for solving these kind of questions. Okay. तो देखो अभी CO2, the normal is considered between the 35 to 45. If at all there is imbalance between the CO2, then it will be considered as the respiratory and bicarbonate levels. You need to remember this one. Mug up these numbers. ठीक है. तो literally like you should remember these questions. Then see, now we will look at this changes when it is called as acidosis, when it is called as alkalosis. Now we are already discussed the brief idea. कैसे पता करेंगे? See, metabolic जो cause होगा ना, already discussed. Metabolic cause मतलब bicarbonate will be involved. ठीक है. तो see here, in metabolic acidosis what happens is, bicarbonate क्या जा रहा है, pH है. एसिडोसिस में क्या होता है, pH की लेवल कम होती है, pH is less. That means एसिडोसिस में लेस है. Same wise, if it is metabolic acidosis, then pH, the bicarbonate levels also will be reduced. ठीक है. So the mnemonic to remember this one is ROME, room. मतलब in respiratory cause, the pH and the CO2 will be going in the opposite direction. That means here we'll discuss respiratory. Acidosis means pH is less, though respiratory if it is, then the CO2 will be increased. So you can see it here. Okay, so CO2 will be increased, pH कम होगा तो that kind of presentation will be the respiratory acidosis. If the pH is increased, the alkalosis, then respiratory में कम होगा. This one is the opposite, मतलब कि respiratory में दोनों opposite में जाते हैं, but metabolic में both go same. So the mnemonic to remember this one is the ROME. Respiratory में opposite, metabolic में equal. That means C here. Now the pH is less and the bicarbonate levels is also less. Which kind it is? Yes, it is the metabolic acidosis. ठीक है, metabolic acidosis. Now if the pH is more and the bicarbonate is more, then this is kind of metabolic alkalosis. ठीक है, तो इसी तरह if it is respiratory, then the CO2 levels will be ulta. Now usually the questions are given on the numericals, so they'll be giving the numericals and they will ask you what kind of acid base imbalance is seen. Okay, so that's all. I hope that you have understood the concept how to solve these ABEG questions. Just keep two things in the mind: look at the pH values, then look at these values, and then acidosis or metabolic and respiratory, and you are there for the correct answer. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful to you in your preparation. If you like the video, comment below, and if you want more such kind of videos, comment below. For the PDF, join my Telegram channel with the name GrowMed FMGE1, and it is given in the link is given in the description box. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. All the best for the exam.